Spanish is a language, and so is English, right? But you know what? In corporate world or in many places where the natural or the native English speakers meet with native Spanish speakers, over the years there has been a mix, and now they both have come to a point where they speak a language which is neither pure English nor pure Spanish. We call it Spanglish. For example, when I was in Madrid, in the office of Madrid, all the corporate people, they spoke a language that was Spanglish. I hope you like the fun fact. Stay tuned.
Hello, my beautiful students. How are you? Welcome to the class. Today, we will continue on the session on conjunctive words or palabras conjuntivas. Yeah, so let's have fun, folks. The first one is te confío aunque no vemos. So here the word is aunque, which means though. The sentence is te confío, which means I trust you, aunque though no vemos. We don't meet, or literally we don't see each other. Trust you though we don't meet. Let's move on, folks. Bailamos ya que está lloviendo or lloviendo. Ya que means since. Bailamos means we dance, or literally let's dance. Ya que, since, está lloviendo, it is raining. So let's dance since it is raining. The next one is no entiendo, sin embargo, esperemos. Sin embargo is the conjunctive word here, which means however. The sentence is no entiendo, I don't understand. However, esperemos, let's wait. Let's move on, folks. Explícale a ella, así que entiende mejor. Así que is the highlight. So that is what it means. The sentence is explícale a ella. Explain her. Literally explain it to her so that entiende mejor. She understands better. Let's move on, folks. Paramos hasta la próxima semana. The word is hasta, which means till or until. The sentence is paramos means we wait, or literally let's wait till la próxima semana, the next week. Let's wait till the next week. Let's move on, folks. Primero jugamos, entonces vamos a cenar. Entonces is the word which means then. The sentence is primero jugamos means we'll play first, then vamos a cenar. Let's have dinner. The next one is no digo nada a no ser que me preguntan. A no ser que literally means unless. The sentence is no digo nada, which means I don't say anything unless me preguntan. They ask me. I don't say anything unless they ask me. Let's move on. Ahora entiendo que me dijiste el otro día. Que is the word here, which means what, but not interrogation. Ahora entiendo. Ahora means now. Entiendo means I understand, which has come from the root verb entender, which means to know or understand. Ahora entiendo. I understand now. Que what? Me dijiste. You told me. Dijiste is second person singular. Conjugation from the verb decir, which means to say. You told me. Me dijiste. El otro día. The other day. Let's move on. Hoy bailamos cuando vamos a la fiesta. Cuando is the highlight, which means when. Hoy bailamos. We dance today, or will dance today. When. Vamos a la fiesta. We go to the party. We'll dance today when we go to the party. The next is llámame cuando me necesites. Cuando means whenever or when. Llámame means call me. When me necesites, you need me. Call me whenever you need me. The next is no me gusta rojo sino azul. Sino is the highlight here, folks, which means but or rather. No me gusta rojo means I don't like red but blue. I don't like red but rather blue. Next is me llamas donde quiera. Donde means wherever. Me llamas means call me. Wherever. Quiera, you want. Call me wherever you want. The next one is cuéntame si quieres pescar ahora. Si means whether here. Cuéntame literally means tell me. Cuenta here has come from the verb contar, which means to tell. Cuéntame, direct object. Tell me if you want to fish now. Si quieres pescar ahora. The last one on our folks is esperamos mientras ellos juegan. Mientras means while. Esperamos means we wait. Ellos juegan means they play. We wait while they play. I hope you learned and enjoyed something beautiful, and now you're gonna say different things and improve your Spanish even faster. Till next session, take care, goodbye, ciao ciao.